Hello and thanks for joining us. In this video we'll be talking about the turf cutter. This self-propelled machine runs off a petrol powered engine and will cut a 30 cm wide strip of turf quickly, cleanly and with minimal effort. Ideal for landscape gardening projects, this turf cutter can remove up to 500 metres of turf per hour and reach depths of up to 40 mm. It also features an incredible gearbox system that will keep driving forward even when on challenging ground conditions. When using the turf cutter, we advise that you wear all of the appropriate PPE. This includes gloves, goggles, safety boots and ear defenders. HSS does not provide petrol, but fuel cans and the appropriate PPE can be purchased from hss.com. Before using the turf cutter, you should clear the path of any obstructions, be mindful of pipework and cables. And take note that turf cutters are not suitable for use in soil or turf conditions where there are tree or large plant roots present, nor should it be used where there is a large volume of stones in the soil. Once done, position the turf cutter outdoors on sufficiently firm, flat soil and inspect the machine using the pre-operation checklist. To start the engine, turn the engine on-off switch to the on position, then open the fuel tap and set the choke to the fully closed position if starting from cold, half closed if the engine is already warm. Next, set the accelerator lever to the minimum position, pull the recoil start handle gently until it engages, and then give it a good strong pull to start the engine. Once the engine is running, return the choke to the open position and allow the engine to warm. After starting the engine, move the gear lever forward and engage the blade control level. To move the cutter, accelerate and then engage the forward clutch. The forward clutch and the blade clutch must first be disengaged by releasing their levers to select a different gear. Then select the gear lever's desired forward position, then re-engage the forward clutch control lever to set the machine in motion again. To stop the blade, release the blade control lever. To prevent the forward movement of the machine, release the forward clutch, then switch off the engine by moving the switch to the off position. When using the cutter, we recommend starting with the setting of a relatively high cutting height, lowering it gradually according to working conditions. Please note that the reverse has been permanently disengaged on this machine for safety reasons. If you want to find out more or view our full range of gardening equipment, visit hss.com today.